Cash App freezes cards as a security measure to protect you from fraud. This can happen due to unusual transaction patterns, multiple failed login attempts, suspected scams, or even prolonged inactivity over 90 days. Common reasons include unusual transaction patterns, multiple failed login attempts, suspected scams, or prolonged inactivity over 90 days. Don't worry, your funds remain accessible through the app wallet. To unfreeze your card, first, open Cash App and go to the card section. Look for an unfreeze option or a prompt to contact support. You may need to verify your identity by providing information like your SSN, a photo ID, or using biometric checks if your device supports it. If the freeze was due to a suspected fraudulent transaction, you'll need to provide details about the transaction for review. Once your identity is verified and the issue is resolved, your card should be unfrozen, usually within minutes to a few hours. To minimize the chances of your Cash App card being frozen in the future, practice good security habits. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Always use a strong, unique password for your account. Regularly monitor your transaction alerts for any suspicious activity. Be extremely cautious about sharing your card details or personal information, especially with unofficial sources claiming to be Cash App support. These are often scams. Cash App recommends linking a backup funding source to your account for seamless transactions in case of a freeze. If you're going to travel internationally, make sure to notify Cash App. Remember, freezes are designed to protect you, and staying vigilant about your account security is key to avoiding them.